How's it going, Veganometri family? It's your bird G. It's another video back at you again. I ain't even gonna bring it up, but I am gonna bring it up at the same time. I know it's been a while, but I'm back a little earlier than expected, honestly. And I just wanted to talk about something that's really been on my heart, on my mind lately. And not even lately, just within this last like 6 to 8 hours that I just, been up today. And that is, I want to just speak to any and everybody who needs to hear this. And that is that believe in your body. I just want to stress that, reiterate it, whatever you want to call it. I repeat myself many times as need be, but believe in your body. Doctor's words are not bond. A doctor's word is not bond. Okay? I don't care what type of diagnosis you got. I don't care what kind of whatever, report, lab testing, whatever they're saying that you have or whatever. Believe in your body. Y'all remember when y'all was kids, everybody was a kid at one point, and everybody has fallen down at one point, scraped their knee, cut their elbow, fall on your head, whatever it may be. Start crying, whatever. Go to your mom's. It's always your mom. It's not really your dad, but it's always sometimes your dads with girls, moms with boys, but mostly mom with girls and boys, it'd be the mom. You go to your mom crying, mom, look. She says, "Oh, you got a boo-boo. Let me kiss it." She kisses the wound that you got, and all of a sudden you feel better. That's not by accident. That's not like a coincidence, or that's not something that, that your mom did. Specifically, I mean, she gave you the energy, she gave you the intent behind the fact that she has healing powers, yes. But your body, you yourself, your mind created a fact within your brain, and a concept within your brain that you believe that once your mom kissed you, once your mom did everything, rubbed it and everything that she did, it automatically feels better. I'm just saying that has not gone away. That's still something inside of you. That's still something that you can mentally prepare your body to do. And that's still something that your body does every single day without your mom. Like, you don't need your mom anymore. You're a grown adult, or however you might be. Maybe you're a kid. I don't know how many kids actually watch me on YouTube. I don't even know if kids would click on this video. So I'm pretty sure that there's people that's above 18. Most people that are above 18 are watching this video. So I'm just saying that has not gone away. You still have that power within you. So whatever it may be, you're the one that controls it. Not some lab test, or not some doctor or not some person that's in a white coat. You must believe in your own body. You must believe in yourself, your own healing abilities. Okay? And we have to stop. I know it's easier said than done. I'm guilty of it as well, but we have to stop expecting others to do for us. We go to the mechanic, we go to the doctor, we go to restaurants, you know what I mean? We all expect something, and we all exchange currency, money, whatever have you, for a service. And 9 times out of 10, we can actually do that service for ourselves if we'd actually take the time out, to do it, research it, and stuff like that. But when I'm just getting at is that if you actually take the time to get to know your car, you can actually change your oil yourself. You know what I mean? If you actually took the time to read the instructions on the label or whatever food that you're about to cook, you could actually cook it yourself. And if you actually take the time to, maybe read a little bit about some herbs, read a little bit about how your body works, you could actually heal yourself as well. So just don't let the doctor's word be a death sentence. It's not bond. Whatever it may be. Whatever it is, you can overcome it. Whatever it is. You have to believe in your body. Your body knows what it's doing. Your body knows what to do. Sometimes it's just waiting on you to be able to come forward and have the audacity to believe in it. Have the audacity to be able to say, I'm going to do this. I'm healed. I'm not doing this anymore. I'm not sick. I'm not dealing with this anymore. I'm not going to do this. I'm healed. I don't want to hear that no more. I don't want to talk about it with my mom and my dad, my friends, my family, my brothers, my sisters. I don't want to hear that no more. You know what I'm saying? Hey, I'm not that way anymore. Whatever I was dealing with, yeah, I was dealing with it, but I'm healed now. Oh, for real? What did you do? I just healed myself. I did, a little bit of meditation. I took a little bit of herb, a little bit of this, a little bit of that. I've been researching about coconut oil and essential oils and oregano and turmeric and basil and things of that nature, and just having my me time and concentrating on the positives rather than the negatives, and being able to just sustain myself and keep myself away from negativity and toxic people. And I've just been doing me. I've just been making sure that I'm focusing my attention on what it is that I want. All right. So I don't want to hear nothing about me. I just want to call you up and say, hey, yeah, I'm healed, man. I appreciate you. I appreciate everything y'all done for me. I know it's been a long road, but I'm healed. I'm done. You see what I'm saying? So I just want to get on here, man. I was going to wear the robe and everything, but I was just like, I just wanted to be legit, to be straight up real with y'all, man. And just believe in you, man. Just believe in you, because I do. All right, so didn't want to make this video too long. I appreciate you guys watching me. If you're still here, I appreciate you guys listening in. So I will see y'all on the next video. Here we go. Herb G. Veganometri.